You need to
but
ensure that
he picked
the
the wrong
state
issue.
government and the centre...
What you're saying is absolutely correct. That had it been police reform, people would have backed Kejriwal. But he picked a very minor issue. I want to put that question to Kiran Walia from the Congress, who's joining us, Senior Minister in Sheila Dikshit's government. Dr. Walia, do you think Arvind Kejriwal picked the wrong issue? Are Rahul Gandhi and Congress leaders sitting back in glee on this cold winter night saying, ha ha ha, we told you so, Kejriwal can't govern and now he's shown himself to be incapable of governance? Dr. Walia?
Well, I'm sorry, I'm not being able to hear very clearly, but what yes, Kejriwal has been unable to govern. He held the whole city to ransom. He was demonstrating, he was holding a dharna while he is chief minister. All that has ridiculed. Why this government has taken this stand is because of the Republic Day that was going to come. It is right on the anvil. And you cannot afford to have the city in this condition when the Republic Day is on.
B.K. Gupta is the former police commissioner of Delhi. As someone who's been in charge, Mr. Gupta, do you think that now relations between the Delhi police and the Delhi government are they're basically daggers drawn? How does the Delhi police work when the Delhi government has so much animosity towards it? Do you think that Arvind Kejriwal is showing that he's a good street fighter but an incapable administrator? Mr. Gupta.
Rahul, I would like to just inform everybody that Delhi government is already, Delhi police is in many ways connected with Delhi government. There is a chief secretary who is day-to-day interacts with Delhi police and principal secretary home. Most of the senior level postings and transfers are done in consultation with the chief secretary. At the level of LG, there is a police establishment board which is headed by Lieutenant Governor, and chief secretary and principal secretary, they are part of the board. So it's not that most of the proposals of Delhi police, they go through the principal secretary home and chief secretary of the Delhi government. And Delhi police have always been giving full regard to all the ministers of Delhi government and particularly chief minister. Whenever she or he raises certain issues, Delhi police very respectfully either listens to all those directions and
no, but this time they didn't do it, Mr. Gupta. Kejriwal in the end said just transfer these officials so that they don't influence the probe. But because it wasn't Congress and BJP, because it was the Aam Aadmi Party, the Delhi police refused to budge.
Not exactly.
You would have heard Sheila Dikshit, you would have listened to her, but you didn't listen to Kejriwal.
No, I personally feel that's what entire basis of Supreme Court direction on police reforms. On very flimsy ground, or when there is not any substantial evidence against the police officer that he is alleged to have indulged in some serious misconduct, or he is really involved in some case of moral turpitude, for smaller issues you should not transfer him or suspend him.
I have a question.
For smaller issues, don't transfer in the sense. And I want to put that question to KC, saying what Kiran Walia is saying is crucial. You said that it's one love for the Aam Aadmi Party. Kiran Walia says they picked the wrong issue. That for such a small issue, you do such a big agitation. It just shows that do they have the makings of... And you've been part of governance and administration, you realize it's a lot of hard work. It's not about jumping up and down, starting to make noise, climbing on a railing. They've shown that they picked the wrong issue. All of this, that the police should come, statehood, all these demands came later. The original issue showed they couldn't pick the right issue.
Let's put it in a context. Why is it happening? See, at the heart of it is the contradiction that the capital of the nation has been turned into a state. It's not a district of Columbia, as the Home Minister said. So the union government, for the first time, there might have been some periods in the past where the state government is different from the union government. And that is where the problem arises. If the police, what kind of a chief minister can do law and order if the police is not under him? And the union government's argument is, how do I really control a city in which the capital of the nation is?
No, but you're not answering my question. You backed the Aam Aadmi Party, but the reality is they picked the wrong issue. If for such a small issue to get officials transferred, they do this. God forbid the Delhi gang rape were to happen. What would the chief minister do then?
So why has it happened? the period in which I think what has happened is the Aam Aadmi Party is in a hurry to get somewhere. They have national elections coming up. They made their national ambitions obvious. And I think the anxiety to succeed, the anxiety to score points, both on their part, and the UPA at the same time hoping, and I think in the morning it was very interesting, till lunchtime the commentators, both from BJP and the Congress, they were both hoping that this is finally a cul-de-sac into which the Aam Aadmi Party has got itself and will not be able to emerge from it. But by evening, of course, Congress decided, they cut their losses, they realized that beyond this, whatever the amount, whatever the nature of the issue, beyond this, this was going to end badly.
Okay, no, but God forbid, there is a 26/11 style attack in Delhi. Now, you don't want your chief minister scoring brownie points, saying NSG is not doing its work, the cops are corrupt, they are also like the terrorists. You want somebody who will stand up and give leadership, not indulge in gimmickry, Shiv Vishwanath.
No, I think there's a difference.
What is the difference?
I think there's a difference in the kind of place. If this had happened 5 days later, I think Kejriwal would have been a different person.
How?
No, he would have behaved differently. He realizes the importance. Look, let's be very clear. At one level, you need a police under the chief minister. But the more important
But
question...
that's not the issue on which
Wait.
we went on, Dharna.
Let me put it this way. When Delhi is a collection of nukkards, for the chief minister to be an occasional street fighter is not a problem. I think it's an added strength. Because to a certain extent, protest as an act of sympathy for a people conveys a different message and has conveyed a message. It is only the upper elite that seems to be slightly disgruntled with what they see as a violation of table manners. Let's be clear that, let's put it off. He calculated something brilliantly. He calculated the UPA is a master of delay, that to a certain extent he'd win because the UPA, which could have made this decision in 5 seconds, took a whole day to make it. As a strategist to the UPA, I think our chief minister...
Okay, so you're saying 2 points.